Hi guys, how have you been enjoying Tuesday Inspiration with Toby? I'm sure that you learned a lot. So, learning doesn't stop, it continues every day. That's why today I just want us to look at a topic together, which is the chase. The chase. You've heard the saying, your dreams are achievable if you believe. For some people, this might be true. For some people, it might be okay to say yes. If I dream about something, I should be able to achieve it. I put the word should because if you dream and you don't plan to achieve these things, there's no way that you're going to achieve that dream. Yes, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. You can do whatever you want to do. You could be whatever you want to be. This is a constant reminder that every one of us gets to hear from people. Yes, motivational speakers will tell you that if you dream, you can achieve it. But I want to say that if you dream and you don't plan or you don't work towards achieving the dream, you would be nowhere. You would go nowhere. So it's okay for you to start to plan today. If you want to help yourself, you should know that you should invest more in yourself. When you conceive an idea, you don't leave it at the idea stage. You don't say, okay, yes, I have an idea that I want to start making wristwatches, for example. I have an idea that I want to be the best speaker in the world. I have an idea. Ideas are not enough. If you know that your ideas are not enough, you would want to start something today. Now, if you've started before and you've also stopped because of, yes, you have so many challenges, you have so many things that have just taken you off track, there's a lot of downtimes, and a lot has just been going through your mind, and you've just been thinking that, yes, you cannot be that thing that you want to become, or you cannot achieve that thing you want to achieve. See, if you ask yourself, those that make it in life, is it magic or is it by accident or is it by luck? I want to tell you that it's none of those. It is not by magic, it is not by luck, it is not by accident. Yes, some persons will tell you that, oh yes, I don't know how I achieved it, I just saw that I was doing. Take note of that word. They will say, I just saw that I was doing. There's something that was done. There was an action. There was something. There was a plan before anyone would achieve the doing. Now, everyone who has said, yes, they were doing something. There was an action. There was a deliberate attempt to actually move or achieve something. I remember growing up as a child, and I would say that, yes, if I'm moving from point A to B, I wish I could just see some 30,000 naira to buy sweets and all of that. Sometimes we move and we see maybe like 5 naira. Yes, don't forget that it's like 30,000 that was the goal. But of course, even in that, my naive state of mind, there was still an action. I was still looking forward to getting something on the ground, on the road. But nobody goes and just walks without having plans or looking out for things that would bring that desired progress to him without actually planning adequately. You have to chase your dream. You have to chase your dream. Not just chase your dream, but you have to put actions into the chasing of your dream. If you know that you want to achieve something, you have to ensure that there's this strong zeal, there's this strong passion to achieve what you want to achieve. Sometimes you can be overzealous, or being overzealous might just sometimes also make you miss it. So you have to understand that there's a need for you to strike a balance. If you strike a balance and you ensure that you're moving in the right direction, you're looking out for opportunities, you're constantly developing yourself, you're not just striving without, people just put themselves into some conditions that they probably not find it easy to part with. If you're putting yourself in situations that will not make you to achieve success, definitely have to stop that. You have to chase things correctly. This is from Laxton Hughes. He said, what happens to a dream deferred? What happens to a dream deferred? I would want to tell you that any dream that is deferred is no longer achievable. Any dream that is not chased, any dream that is not properly planned, or you don't look for ways to achieve that dream, will just be an idea that just came to your mind. If you must achieve something, you must be thinking towards the direction where you begin to chase your dreams systematically, you begin to chase it strategically. So when you get to that point where you want to achieve success, you will not be found wanting. If I want to achieve something, I know how to go about it. If you want to eat, for example, either you go to a fast food to eat, or you buy some things from the market and take home to prepare them. You're not going to sit in your bed or you sit in the comfort of your room and begin to eat. Gone are those days. If you're a Christian, or if you're not a Christian, you also have heard that yes, there was a point where manna was falling from heaven. Manna will not fall from heaven if you don't chase your dream. You have to chase your dream and deliberately do these things that will make you achieve success. Don't forget, the topic is the chase. So how well are you chasing your dream? Don't defy your dream. Make plans to achieve them today. I'll see you next week, Tuesday. Thank you very much for joining me on this beautiful episode of Tuesday Inspiration. Take care of yourself. Bye.